When my thoughts get loud, try to fight it. So I drink it down till my body learns to breathe you out of my story. But it gets blurry in between. Where did you go? My heart's on a mission, searching my soul, 'cause I feel you slipping. Don't fade away to memory. I can feel you calling out my name. Somewhere in the galaxies, I feel you waiting. And I'll run back for you, back for you, back for you. And I'm praying to God for peace in my mind, knowing you're somewhere inside. We're frozen in time, so I close my eyes, search for signs until you're mine. Won't leave you behind. And I'll run back for you, back for you, back for you. It's a little like forward, yeah, that's alright. When I see it, she's still on sight. And we're sitting on the curb of the parking lot, talking about our lives and the futures we've got. And she says, don't you worry, you're only 19, so why you in such a hurry? And it's a parking lot sunrise, with a girl who says that she might just have me on 10. We're until then I'll wait under a parking lot sunrise, with a girl who says that she might just have me on 10. We're until then I'll wait. It's a little bit late, it's a little bit light, but when I'm with her it just feels right. I say I've been running around, I'm exhausted, but when I'm with you it feels like I've been anesthetized. She said I don't really mind being put under for you. I'll be waiting for the sunrise, and it's a parking lot sunrise, with a girl who says